Hello, Mr. Timothy. How are you holding up?
I'm doing okay under the circumstances.
Right. Well, I'm sure by now that you have heard that I have talked to many of your friends.
I wouldn't really say that they're my friends, but I understand what you're trying to say.
Can you explain what you mean by this?
Just that I was friends with Pepperwood and his crew came with the territory. I'm the newest member of the group and haven't really connected with anyone. They all have such deep ties. At one point I cared, but now, I don't know. With everything, what's the point?
All right, then. So I believe at this point there are only a few things that I need to figure out.
Ask away.
First off, you helped with the buying of the decorations for this event, correct?
That's correct.
Good. Can you tell me why you bought more than enough decorations and party favors for this event?
No one is told. I'm shocked
Tell me what?
about my condition. I have imparnumerophobia. It's the fear of uneven numbers. I know it sounds weird and most people think I'm strange, but when I see odd numbers of things, I feel the urge to correct them. It gets worse during times of anxiousness and stress.
Is that why you're messing with that paper in your hands? I count 8 pieces that you tore that note into.
Yes. My go-to numbers seem to be 6, 8, or 10. I don't know why, but they seem to be the numbers that my brain finds comforting.
Okay.
See, I knew you would judge me. It is always the weird, quiet ones. Is that what you think? I'm sure everyone thinks that I am guilty.
Now, no one has said anything about that.
Do you have anything else you want to ask me? Because I need to leave.
Just a few more moments of your time. Do you know what Pepperwood was going to announce?
No. Why would I?
How did you meet Mr. Pepperwood?
He hired me to do some odds and ends around his house. He really took me in when I needed the money for school. Then we just clicked. He became a close friend and was almost like family.
And what about your own family, your parents?
I don't really talk to them anymore. My mom was a teacher all her life, and my dad worked in construction. Hard-working people, but not even a dime between them.
Sometimes money just isn't important to some people.
It is only important to the people that have it.
What do you mean by that?
Nothing.
Last thing then, where were you when you heard the scream?
I was sitting and having a drink with Mrs. Mertier, waiting for Pepperwood to come out with his announcement.
Well, thank you for your time.